Hey guys, this is Trav and Jay. We are down at Devil's Elbow at Land Between the Lakes in Kentucky. And we're going to be going out today to do a little bit of kayaking.
A little bit of fishing.
A little bit of fishing. Don't know if we're going to catch anything. Hopefully somebody's going to flip over in the kayak. That's always the go, right?
Yeah, I've got a buddy that should be on his way, hopefully. He's never kayaked before, so we got some fun planned for him. Maybe we can get him in the water.
We would love to get him in there, and like George said, we got a really cool little trick for him up our sleeves, so we're really hoping he shows up. But we're going to jump out here in the kayaks. This is kind of like a small little bay that connects to the bigger lake out there on the right side. And what we're going to do is just go out here, kayak around, do a little bass fishing, toss around the rocks, and then just see what happens. But I guess we're just going to go ahead and jump right in, aren't we?
Top it.
Alright, let's do it, guys. Alright guys, we're going to throw the kayaks into the water. This is always the fun part, so let's see what happens. I'm trapped in between my posts. You're going in forward, buddy.
Are you going in backwards?
Oh, yeah, I'm going in backwards. That's more fun. Okay. I'm going to push Jordan out. You ready, buddy?
Ready when you are.
Here we go. Alright, now my turn to get out of here. Oh my gosh. Alright. I gotta be so careful not to splash this camera. Alright guys, we're out on the water. Where are we heading, Jordan asked. Well, Jordan, I think we're going to head all the way to the rocks. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Don't let me hit you. Watch my pole. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to kayak right over here to the rocks and throw out. I'm hoping that there'll be some little bass laying on the rocks. That is the hope, but that is of course no guarantee that's going to happen. But we're going to hope. Jordan, what are you doing over there? How you doing?
I'm making it.
You making it? You making it? Alright, cool. So beautiful out here though, you know. Getting out here in the evening, sun's kind of lowering down. Water's very calm and glassy right now, which could potentially be bad for fishing, but you know, we're gonna throw out a line and just see what happens anyways.
I just realized
What do you realize?
I bought a new fishing hat and some new sunglasses and left them both in my truck.
Yep, that's about right. So guys, if you see the gloves I'm wearing, these are actually Kayaking fishing and kayaking gloves. I highly recommend their products. They don't sponsor us or endorse us, but they can. Kayaking, hit us up if you want. We'd love to have you. But I absolutely love their products. I use their gloves. I have a neck gaiter as well. And the sunglasses I'm wearing are also Kayaking. So absolutely love the products. They're great, good quality. The gloves are super comfortable. They're not like super tight or anything like that. I can bend my hands pretty well. It's awesome. But alright guys, we are getting close to the rock wall where we're going to do a little bit of fishing. So gosh. Jordan's about to like crash into me over here. Bruh. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my good old reliable Texas rig again. So as you can see, I got the egg sinker on there. I'm using a dark green worm. And we're going to kind of just throw it here in these rocks after I get my line untwisted from into my pole. We'll see what happens. Not gonna lie guys, fishing from the kayak is significantly more difficult than fishing off the bank. I'm gonna switch over to spinnerbait. Jordan, you doing any good over there?
Nope.
Nope. That's no good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna switch over to this little spinnerbait. It's kind of some bright colors, so I'm hoping it might kind of be a little more attracting out here in the dark water here. So we'll see what happens. That's an on first throw on that spinner. About to like cross right over into where Jordan's fishing. My back trace low. Here we go. My apologies, good sir. You have anything to say to our adoring fans, Jordan?
Put me on the spot. It's a nice day out here. Thank you guys for watching so far. Pray that me and Travis catch something.
Just toss him to the bank.
I got really close. Alright guys, Jordan here. Will is on his way. He should be here any moment now. I believe that's him right there actually. Got this plug out of his kayak, but we're not going to tell him we took it out, so when we get out in the water, he's going to freak out thinking his boat's going to sink. He'll have no idea. Anyways, here we go. Hey guys, this is Will, aka Bobby, and he's here finally to go kayaking with us out here.
Hey, what's up?
It's Will.
Yeah, it's me.
We're really excited to have Will here, Mr. Bobby, because he's kayaked before, but we're hoping to have some fun out there with him and let him experience some kayak and
Hopefully I don't fall.
I hope you don't either, buddy. I hope you don't. You're ready to go out. Mr. Bobby's getting in his kayak, so we're going to see how this goes. This ought to be very interesting, to say the least. I'm going to push him out just to, help him out. So,
Take your phone on you? Yeah.
Are you ready?
If I fall, I'm losing it.
You want me to push you out?
Yeah, push me out.
All right, watch your head because my hook's like hanging.
Don't hook me.
Here we go. There he goes, guys. There he goes.
All right, see you later.
All right, bye, buddy. See you later. All right, we're gonna go ahead, hop in our kayaks, and we'll join Mr. Bobby out there.
I don't know how to get in it backwards.
basically just fall in. You basically just fall in. See if we can. What? Jordan's struggling a little bit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
My bad.
This is what I get for filming and not paying attention at the same time. Guys, this is the water that splashed up on the back of this kayak. Where the plug's supposed to go. Don't worry, he won't think. Hey, Will? There's, something wrong with the back of your kayak, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Don't panic. Don't panic. Hold on. So, buddy, your plug's not in. Dude, your plug's not in.
Stop. Stop. Put me in. Put my plug in. Put my plug in. I'm not kidding. Put the plug in.
Don't worry, buddy. I got your back. I got your back. Here you go.
Oh, the top of it. I thought you meant the bottom.
What? Oh my god. Here you go. You're safe.
Move. Let me get out of here. You done that on purpose.
I would never.
Yes, you would.
Excuse
No.
me. Coming through.
I can't get started.
Alright guys, that was absolutely amazing.
There's supposed to be one in the front.
There's not supposed to be one in the front, don't worry.
I don't believe you.
I promise there's not one in the front. Mine has two. Yours just has one though. I think Jordan only has one. I don't know why I have two, but I guess where I can drain water from whatever end I want to. Alright guys, so that was absolutely hilarious. A lot better reaction than I actually expected. So, we did good, Jordan. Classic. There's some fish movement, I see it. We just gotta get in the bite. That's always a trick, right? Getting in the bite. Do you say there are snakes out here? Probably. Jordan's over there about to hook Mr. Bobby. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and wrap up the day. It's getting dark outside. Unfortunately, we didn't catch anything.
Not a single thing.
Not a single thing. I had a few hits on my jig and my worm, but didn't hook anything, couldn't get them. But we had a blast out there kayaking. It was hilarious having Will, Mr. Bobby out there with us. So, you want to say anything to the fans, Will?
No, thank you.
Okay, no thank you.
He's a little mad.
He's
We
still-
almost made him sing.
Yeah, he's still a little sad. But we had a great time out there. And, you know, we got to go out, we got to go kayaking, we got to have fun with each other, joking around, and then just kind of exploring the area.
And it was also a beautiful day, so can't beat that.
It was a great day. But we are filming again this weekend, and we have a really awesome treat for you all. We are going to what's called Bayou Creek, which is near where my grandmother and mother live, so kind of my hometown. It's a really awesome area. It's just like it sounds, it's a bayou. There's water, there's trees, there's probably going to be snakes. Last time I was out there was a big Amazon spider that was so big I heard it crawl on a tree. I haven't told Jordan this yet, so
We might be canceling the trip.
we ain't canceled. He's going to have fun. But yeah, guys, we're really looking forward to our trip to the bayou. And until next time, keep it real. Guys, Will is about to just shoot up this hill. There goes Jordan right now. But Will's just about to shoot up it. I'm really excited he's coming right now. Here he comes. There he goes, guys. He's gunning it. He's gunning it. Holy crap.